Cyhawk game. 8:32 now, and it'll be a big Cyhawk showdown in Iowa City today as the unbeaten Iowa Hawkeyes will host the winless Iowa State Cyclones at Kinnick Stadium. That's where we find KWWL's Justin Andrews. He is live at Kinnick this morning. Justin, it's chilly, but I am jealous you are out there with the tailgaters this morning.
Oh yeah, Allie, be jealous. It is a chilly morning out here at Kinnick Stadium, so you may want to bring your jacket, and you possibly want to bring a scarf or a hat, or I have on my gloves, to see who takes home the Cyhawk trophy and the in-state bragging rights. Now, here's some video of last year's showdown. Right now, the Hawks are 2-0, while Iowa State is coming into this one 0-2. And if you're coming to the game, here's something to keep in mind. With the rainfall we saw earlier this week, you may not be able to park in certain areas, and some of those areas include the driving range at Finkbine Golf Course. Fans, keep in mind a shuttle and the Hawkeye Express train is available to get here at Kinnick. Now, Allie, you may remember this. The Hawks were in Ames last year, and they took home the victory. It was a 27-21 win. Now, Allie, it's cold, it's chilly. We're going to be out here at Kinnick to see who takes that Cyhawk trophy, who takes that bragging rights, and don't forget, the kickoff is at 2:30, and you better bring a jacket and scarf. I definitely have mine on, Allie. Allie, I'll throw it back to you.
All right, thanks so much, Justin.